and skies, wrote William Wordsworth, thou hast great allies. Thy friends are exultations, agonies, and love, and man's unconquerable mind. It is the mind of man, not wings but his imagination, that carries him aloft to frolic through the drifting meadows of the air. It is man's dreams and his inventiveness that release him from the shackles of the earth, that give him wings and freedom. But as Aesop the fabulist wrote, it is not just fine feathers that make fine birds. The aircraft designer W.S. Evans considered the 40 horsepower air-cooled engine in the family car and agreed with Sophocles that men often ignore the good that lies within their grasp. He took the small VW engine and designed a plane to fit around it. The aircraft designer believed that each man has an inalienable right to build an airplane in his own garage. And so, with simple plans and light wooden construction, he made it possible for each man to do just that. Numberless are the wonders of the world, but none more wonderful than man. Sophocles wrote that around 400 BC. He had never seen such a plane. Simplicity is the key to this plane's success. The little rod bobbing before the pilot's eyes is simply the gasoline gauge. The aircraft gets about 30 miles to the gallon, and when the rod stops bobbing, the wise aviator will look for a place to land. But what is there, wrote Pliny the Elder in the days of imperial Rome, what is there that does not appear marvelous when it comes to our attention for the first time? And how many things are looked upon as quite impossible until they are actually made to work? Enter this wild wood and view the haunts of nature. Thou wilt find nothing here of all that pained thee in the haunts of men and made thee loathe thy life.